Well, it is early summer, school is out, and it is graduation party season. And that brings me to my project at hand today. I've got two family friends that have graduation parties for their seniors, and they want their driveways looking great and shaped up. So naturally, that's one of my favorite pastimes. I've got the John Deere 755 and a couple grader boxes I'm going to use. Time is short though. Parties are in 4 days, so I better get started. I'll fill you in.
Dig, drive, DIY.
All right, well, the first project I want to share with you is right here at where I work, G&K Concepts. The owners, Greg and Kim, who are also good friends of mine for a long time. Their oldest daughter is graduating this year, and I'd like to see this driveway all shaped up and looking nice. Greg already did a lot of preliminary work because he straightened all the edges. He actually called me to say, hey, what was that video you had about digging and straightening your edge lines along the driveway? So I had to share this video with him, of course. But he's done a great job of getting that all dug out. So he dug these out and got down to a good base, filled it in with what we call 73s, which have a lot of the crushed fine limestone in them, and it packs in real tight. And that's been done for a couple weeks, so it is looking really good. He reshaped all these edges and squared everything up. So the edge work has been done, and that's really important on a driveway like this where you want to try to make things really nice. You can't just drag stone into a straight line on top of grass or where there isn't much of a base. You really got to have that edge established. So we're good on that. But also, if you'll remember, we dug a trench right through here to repair a tile for that catch basin just several weeks ago. And so although I've got that patched up, I never did get it graded out smooth. We've got areas that are bare, we've got areas of different mixed stone, and that's what I need to try to get into shape. Because there's different aggregates and different conditions, I'm going to start out by just grading out what's here first, try to make it all look uniform and level it up, and then there's a pile of number 9 loose stone out back. I'll sprinkle that on top out front because we want the best look out here in the front. We'll get that loose stone on top, then I'll grade it again, hopefully have the front all shaped up, and then I'll worry about the back and making it look good. The 755 feels right at home in here with all the big boy toys. It's kind of neat seeing it with all the other farm equipment, but I'm going to use this setup to do most of my grading here. I'm also going to have to spread stone with Greg's Bobcat, but the temptation is to just jump in and spread stone right away, but really I want to get it all leveled up first, and then we'll top dress with 9s, and then I can blend it together more easily. Might need this rake too. A little bit of a pain on this tractor. I mean, I got to take these two nuts off the windshield here to get the windshield open. I got to open the windshield so that I can get the hood open. Ouch! So that I can get the fuel cap off. Okay, that's full. Boy, that was pretty empty actually. Kind of a pain in the butt when you run these little tractors out of fuel. You got to bleed them to get them going again. So, oh, in case you were wondering, yes, it does have a fuel gauge, but now it shows full, but I don't trust it. I was gonna say it doesn't work, but it didn't work on my other tractor, so I'm apprehensive. All right, let's get grading. You know what? On second thought, I'm not gonna be using the loader for anything, and it can actually get in the way. I'd rather grade without the loader. It only takes a couple of minutes to undo it. So, got to pull 2 latches here in the front. Now all I got to do is unhook the hydraulic hoses. That literally took like 1 minute. It'd be well worth it, I think. Regular viewers of this channel will know I like to grade in circles because it does a better job of leveling things up. Okay, so I have set the rippers down to the first notch but I can start scratching a little bit. And I was saying it earlier, but sometimes it's tough when you first get started. The box wants to bounce like it is right now. It's bouncing and vibrating. Okay, we're gonna take a little break before we get too wet. It's already raining.
I'll go around the front, wipe my feet.
Oh, come on. It's a coming. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Can you take that in for me? Here, hold it. Go. Woo. Well, we had a little rain delay there, but that's actually really good. It settled the dust on everything. Now we can grade it. There's a little bit of moisture in the ground, and that'll help it smooth out even better. Plus, they're calling for more rain. So if I can get this knocked down and smoothed out, and then it rains, it'll be perfect. So I'm gonna jump on the tractor and get back at it. We've got a lot of these big rocks that are in here. They don't go away. And then I can't stop picking them up. Those are ankle biters. This little girl did some work. It's about 6:45 p.m. So with that little rain shower in the middle, see, there's probably at least 6 hours of grading here, 6 or maybe 7. Let's check that battery. Battery still has 4 bars. Still impressed with that battery on that grader box, but I don't know, what do you think? How does it look out here? I know I did a lot of time lapse, but that was a lot of circles. So here's the view from the back, looking out the front driveway, looking over there between the buildings. Wasn't really a defined edge along here, but I kind of straightened it up a little bit. Looks pretty decent. Of course, all these lines are nice and straight. We had to get all the vehicles up on the concrete. Well, this is looking a lot better around here. I'm happy with how it turned out. Took a lot of circles, and everyone was asking me if I get dizzy a lot, but that's what it takes. You gotta have patience, and you gotta put the time in to get the results you want. And I think this turned out great. So now we're gonna move on to the next stop. I don't even know what they need over there. I think I'm gonna have to haul some stone, so we'll go take a look, and if they need it, we'll jump on the dump truck. Okay, we're getting ready to deliver some stone today for a little driveway project. Got my beautiful co-pilot, Eva, with me. So we got about 19 ton of stone we're gonna deliver and then grade up this driveway. I haven't even been here to see what it looks like yet. They just said they needed stone and they needed the driveway graded. So they kind of explained to me over the phone what it was. I just got a full load, and then we'll bring the tractor back later. Go see what's going on. I think they want this kind of graded up. There's some big stones in here. Here's the front driveway. They need a lot of stone. More of these big ones. I bet you they're going to use these for, oh yeah, they're going to use these for like photos. There he is. Hey. What do you know? I brought a co-driver with me. This is Eva.
Hey Eva, how you doing?
Good.
How you been?
Great, how are you?
Good. Well, I just wanted to get an idea of what, like the primary photo, are they having the party out there at all, or?
Yeah.
They are?
They are. They're going to have
Okay.
people in the barn. We're going to have a tent. Depending on if it rains, we might do both of them.
Oh, okay. For you?
That's the primary
Yeah,
focus,
yeah.
that mess right there.
Okay, this is my first time spreading. Yeah, that's just one. I better go get some more, huh? I got the chains set too wide, so I'm gonna go get, I'll have to get another load. All right, you ready to head back home?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I didn't leave a very good pile here, but I am back this evening with the tractor and the 3-point grader box, and I also have the pull type grader box. You might be wondering why I don't have the skid loader here. Well, it's because I took it to a job site that's about 20 miles away, and so I just thought I'd try to get it done with the 755. Let's see what we can do in the little bit of daylight we have left. I only have about less than an hour. So I worked here last night till it was dark and got quite a bit done in the short amount of time that I had. Decided to get up real early, come back first thing this morning, and I did something I hardly ever do. I forgot any kind of camera other than my phone here, so I'm not going to take the time to go back and get it. I'm going to work today without cameras, so this is going to be an elaborate like before and after. Here's the before. They got a really good sized hole right here to get patched up, and that's deep. It's down to the sub base, so I'm going to try to take the 3-point grader box and get that worked up. That's why I brought it. Let's get this worked up, grade it out, and then I've got the lane to get done there, and here's the stone I got. So there's 20 ton of stone right there, 18 ton of stone out back that I've been spreading, and we're going to try to get this doctored up for their graduation parties. Both houses are having a shared graduation party on the same day, so we want it to look nice for that. I was going to bring the drone and get some drone shots and my camera mounted or my magnet mounted shots and all the normal stuff. All anyone is really after though is a before and after anyway, so that's what I'll do. I'll just spend about 30 minutes trying to fill in that hole, just roughing it up with the 3-point box, getting a lot of that loose stone and those big stones into the hole here, and it already looks a lot better. But so I got here at 7. It's 11:30 now, so that's 4.5 hours plus an hour last night, 5.5 hours plus 2 loads of stone. So 5.5 hours plus the hauling the tractor over here, that's probably 6.5. That's what it took me, plus 2 loads of stone. All right, time to move on to the next project. That's looking pretty good. Well, this looks like it might be getting ready for a party. It's been a lot of progress out here, and they've got a lot of things set up ready to go. So this is looking really nice. You think anyone will even notice the driveway? Well, actually, some people did notice the driveway, so it turned out great. Congratulations to all this year's seniors. I wish you well in the future, and I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you liked it. If I'm lucky, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Hi there.
I don't want to interrupt if you're videoing.
What's that?
I don't want to interrupt if you're videoing.
No, it's okay. I'm Neil.
My husband loves watching your show. And
Oh, really? I just met Steve and Joan from Florida. They're getting their RV worked on and cruising around the area and wanted to say hi. So.